Peace and blessings. It's your boy Jah Kobi, straight from the land, and we're here at Heritage 100 here in Labone, Accra. Let's see what they have in store for us. Let's go. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Heritage Apartment. I'm Stella.
Stella, what do you do here?
I'm a sales executive.
So Stella, I heard a lot about Heritage 100.
Okay.
I heard it's probably going to be the biggest development in Accra, launching soon. I wanted to come and see the place.
Okay, you're welcome. Let me take you in.
So we should go?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So Heritage 100 apartment is in 2 towers, okay? We have the Tower 1 and Tower 2. Now what we are standing here is the Tower 1. On my right is the Tower 2.
Okay.
Yes. So in between the Tower 1 and Tower 2, there's going to be a very big pool that separates the Tower 1 from the Tower 2. So that's what you see ahead, of us. Yeah. Basically.
Okay, wow. I got a lot of work going on here.
Yeah. Heritage 100 is a fully smart automated home.
Wow.
Heritage 100 is also EDGE certified.
What does that mean?
Okay, so when I talk about EDGE certification from World Bank, I'm speaking about energy sustainability, okay? For improved air quality, water conservation, light, so
efficiency.
Exactly, and the green.
Tower 1 looks like it's getting close to being finished. When is the expected completion date?
So Tower 1 is expected to be done in December 2025. Basically, the level that we are in here is just to do the interior and exterior.
Wow, so it's almost done. A few more months.
Yeah.
And it will look something like this?
So yes, so this is how the lobby is going to look like.
Okay,
what you see here is the ground floor. Over here, we're going to have a concierge service. Okay. We're going to have an enhanced concierge service over here.
Wow.
We're going to have a customer service desk that runs 24 hours. Okay. There's going to be a shift kind of thing. So there's someone comes morning, there's evening. So I mean, all the 24 hours you have somebody serving you.
It sounds like a resort. Like this is an apartment, residential building, but it sounds like one of those kind of 5-star resorts.
It is 5-star.
Wow.
Yeah, Heritage 100. It's 5-star. Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, it's also one of the very first residential units that you see an art gallery. Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be art gallery?
Yes. So
wow.
Where I'm pointing to, there's gonna be an art gallery over there, and it's a walkthrough from Tower 1 to Tower 2.
Oh, so it's gonna connect the 2 towers?
Yes. So I mean, you can walk from Tower 1 to Tower 2.
So I see this symbol. It looks like y'all's logo. It looks like an Adinkra symbol. What's that? What is that?
So first of all, before I answer that, let me tell you a bit about Heritage 100. Okay. So we Heritage, per the name, we're really trying to portray the Ghanaian culture in the best possible ways. So we've embedded Ghanaian architecture in architectural designs. So on the facade of the building, we have some Adinkra symbols embedded in the architecture, and it really looks beautiful.
Wow. Yeah,
upon completion, you're going to see the beauty at its best. So what you see is the Chin symbol, which means that no matter how you wind in life, you're still going to find your way back home.
Wow.
Yeah, all these Adinkra symbols tell stories, and this is one of them, a Chin.
That's like me. No matter where
you're welcome back home.
This is my symbol.
Yeah, it's your symbol.
Wow.
Welcome
Heritage.
back there. Yeah, Heritage. Hence the name Heritage.
This is really beautiful.
Heritage 100 apartments, unlike other developers, we are providing you with 19 premium amenities. We have an underground car parking. Whereas the building is a 100 units apartment, we have provided 130 car spaces. We have an art gallery, like I mentioned before. We have a rooftop bar. We have a concierge service. We have a gym. We have a spa. We have a cinema.
A cinema?
Yes, we have a cinema.
Like a theater to watch movies?
It's a theater. You can actually book it for private family, go and enjoy yourself. If you don't want to be stuck in your room, get your private space to view something nice. Yeah.
That's fantastic.
We have a restaurant as well to give you room service, so you don't need to stress for anything. A spa to give you comfort as and when you feel tired, So we have all these amenities in place. And the idea is that we do not necessarily want you to step out of the community, because Heritage 100 is like a community.
You don't want people to go anywhere.
Yeah, so I mean, probably if you're stepping out, just taking a stroll or maybe going to the beach, you know.
Fantastic.
And that's just like 5-6 minutes away from here. So that is one of the things that makes us unique, okay? We have literally provided everything for you to make your living here very comfortable and convenient.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, I can't wait to see what it's going to turn out to be, honestly.
Yeah, you'll love it.
Wow.
I mean, the outcome is going to be very mind-blowing and beautiful, okay?
Cool.
And we also, I mean, because of the greens, we have planter boxes all around and inside the apartment. You can see some of the creeping plants, you know, from the facade, and it's beautiful. These plants are actually real plants, okay? So, it's not, I mean...
So every unit is going to have a planter box?
Every unit has a planter box,
Oh, wow.
And it's beautiful. Our show apartment is ready for viewing, so I'm just going to take you there, have a look at our finished look with furnitures. Very beautiful, so you can have a look at how the finished look is going to come out like.
Let's go. You lead the way, madam.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. This is the first floor where most of our amenities are, and we have the cinema right over here.
That's where the cinema is going to be?
Yeah, that's where the cinema. Over here, this is the space for the restaurant. It's actually on the first floor, the ground floor and the top, okay? Kind of concept. Right opposite is the gym.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the gym. And that's the gym changing room, okay?
Okay. I'm sure you'll have all the state-of-the-art gym fitness equipment there and all of that.
Exactly.
And then what would that be, like just a balcony or?
These are all commercial spaces.
Oh, okay. I see the picture there. It looks like it.
So yes,
nice.
This is how the renders. This is the render. This is how it's going to look like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very classy. I call this Afro chic. Very chic, very African inspired, but very neat and chic and bougie. Okay, so now where?
So let's head to the show apartment. Let me show you what we have.
All right. Wow. This looks like out of my budget.
Why do you say that?
Oh, this looks fancy.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
So tell me about what we got here. We have a nice kitchen.
This unit that we are in, this is called the 2-bedroom hybrid, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if you figured when we're coming in, it has 2 entrances.
Oh, that was the entrance to this same unit.
Yes. So I mean, it's a 2-bedroom hybrid, and it has 2 entrances, and it has 2 kitchens as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why it's hybrid.
Exactly, and it has a knockoff between one of the rooms and the other. So, and that's just right here.
Okay.
But it's more like a convertible 1-bed and a studio. Okay.
Oh, okay. So it can be like the 2-bedroom with like a master bedroom, and then, or it can be a 1-bedroom and a studio. That's why it has another kitchen. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. If you're using it as strictly for investment, you can have that rented out, and you can stay in the 1-bedroom.
Oh, that's cool. That's actually really nice. Yeah, that's a good idea. Or you can rent both of them out separately.
Exactly.
You get 2 for 1. Wow.
And it's actually, I mean, to the investor's advantage, because if you are buying this strictly both on for investment purposes, you can list it on the market as a studio, as a 1-bed, and as a 2-bedroom as well. So you realize that you have it always on book every time.
Wow.
Giving you more return on investment as well.
Oh, I wish I can get me one.
Yeah, you should get one. Yes.
So what's up with this kitchen? This looks very nice. I like this this stone top. That's nice.
Yes. So this unit comes standard with the stove. Mm-hmm. It comes standard with the stove. It comes standard with the washing machine. Mm-hmm. It comes standard with the refrigerator.
Oh wow.
Okay. Yeah. And the
microwave.
Freezer. Yeah. And the freezer as well. It comes with the microwave.
Can I get the kettle too?
Yes, it comes. Yes, it comes with it.
It comes with the kettle?
No, these are all add-ons. Okay, and I'm going to talk about that.
But it's a nice heater.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I know. Yes, so it comes standard with all this. Okay, now this area that we are in is the living area. Okay. This is the master bedroom, and this is a bathroom. Okay. So you have your living area, you have your dining, and then you have your bedroom, and then you have this. Now with the bathroom, you could, for instance, you have a visitor here, you could go in from the living area, or you could enter your room and then enter the bathroom. So you don't need to cross.
Oh, it's like a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Basically. Yeah. So let's enter the room.
Okay.
Yeah. You can have a look.
Oh wow, this is cute.
Yeah.
And okay, so it also goes to the balcony.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Can we step out and see the balcony real quick before
Okay.
we get space?
Okay.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice big door. Floor to ceiling windows. I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice too.
It's great. Yeah. Now these plants that you see over here, these are all real plants.
Wow.
And you don't need to worry about watering them manually because it has its own built-in irrigation system.
Oh wow.
It's
self-irrigating. Wow.
Exactly.
Oh wow, because I would forget to water the plants.
Exactly. And with the pruning of it, we have an in-house facility management that once you call upon them, they're going to get people to prune them, make them
help maintain them.
Maintain
can
them.
Can I grow my plantain or my cassava here?
No, you can't.
I can't?
No.
Okay, I see this box. This is the box. This is the plant
box. There's
a
planter box, yeah.
Okay.
These are the planter boxes.
Okay. What about the fan? Does the fan come standard too?
Yeah, it comes
standard. It's a
nice
fan.
Yeah. And you also need to, with the plant, you get to select the plant that you want, okay?
So it's also like a packaging.
And we hear that some people relate better with certain plants, so you get to select the plant that you want, and then we can do it for you.
You all thought of everything.
Yeah.
You all thought of everything. Okay, let's see the rest of the place before it gets late. This is nice though. I like the bedroom going to the balcony, the terrace.
So this is the central door that I was talking about, the knockoff. And this is the door that leads to the studio apartment. Okay.
Right.
So this acts like the master bedroom.
Yeah. Now this is my style.
Yeah.
So this is the master bedroom. Or you can make it a studio.
It is a studio.
It is a studio.
Yeah, so this is like a standard studio apartment.
Okay.
So, for those who have purchased a studio apartment, this is how it's going to look like.
So, I've been seeing this control panel. Looks like some really smart,
This is just like a control panel to control the room. Okay. Now, what this means is that you can have this as an app on your phone. Okay.
Oh, you also have an app?
Yes, you can have this on your phone.
The Heritage app?
Yes, as part of the energy conservation I was talking about downstairs.
On your lights, off your lights.
You can turn off the lights.
Okay.
And you can turn them on.
Nice.
And the curtains, you can have a look. You can...
Oh, close the curtains. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm closing the curtains now.
Wow.
Exactly.
That's high tech.
Yeah.
That's high tech.
So this is all part of our fully smart, automated, appliances I was talking about. We also have the Alexas. Alexa,
the what?
Play some music.
The what?
Okay. Alexa.
You have Alexa in here?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, that's too much. See, me, I can't do it because I say crazy stuff. I say crazy stuff, and I don't need Alexa listening to me. You have Alexa playing music. You have a control system that controls everything.
And you also have the smart door.
And you got a smart door. You got a smart toilet too.
Yeah, you can.
I'm impressed. You have smart features in every unit. You have sustainability.
Yeah.
You have self-irrigating plants. I'm sure you have solar. You have, it seems like it's very conscious of our environment and also still giving people those amenities and that comfort to be able to control their lives any way they want. I'm sure the prices are not that high.
No, they're not high. We're actually in range. Yeah.
I'm very impressed. These nice seats too. It's soft on the body. It looks high level, so I'm expecting high level prices. So go ahead and tell me.
Not necessarily. We're giving you value for your money. Okay? It's not like because it's high, we're going to overprice.
Okay.
We're actually giving you value for whatever you are giving us.
So so you have this 2-bedroom hybrid. What other kind of units do you have?
So we do have studios. We have 1 bed. We have 2 beds. We have 3 beds, and then we have penthouses. Okay. Yes.
The penthouse is at least $2 million, I'm sure.
So we have 1.3. We have 1.2. We have 1.4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Rooftop. The penthouse, I'll go and visit somebody. I'll make them my friend. But if I wanted to say get a studio here, maybe in my range, how do I go about doing that?
Okay, so for studios, currently we have no studio in Tower 1. Tower 1 is just 2 bedrooms and 2 of the 3 bedrooms. That's the only ones left in Tower 1.
4 left. Wow.
Just 4 left in Tower 1.
Almost sold out.
Exactly. And in Tower 2, we are 90% sold out.
90% sold out?
Yeah, we're 90% sold out in Tower 2. It's just 2 studios left and a couple of 1 beds and 2 beds and 3 beds as well.
So I can't even, I don't have time to save any money. I won't get one.
No, so the good thing about off-plan buildings is that, because it's off-plan, you get a number of years to actually spread the payment in installments.
Okay.
So you're not covering the money outright. You don't have the ready houses. So it's flexible. We have a cash payment system, and then we have mortgage. We accept mortgage as well. Okay. So it's not really hard on you. You have to know your reason for the purchase, what you want to use it for, and we can discuss the mortgage. But with a cash payment, that's somebody who wants to make payments in installments. That's also available. Yeah. Wow,
this is a level of Ghana in all my years here I've never seen. I'm sure the documentation, everything is legit. Everything is clean.
Very
There's no
legit.
land guard, wahala, nothing like that.
No. We don't have that here.
Wow. Well, Stella, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This was a pleasure. Honestly, I'm gonna try to see if I can scrape up some funds and then get one of those.
Sure. With only $5,000, you can reserve a unit in Heritage 100 Apartments.
Wow.
And then probably spread the rest over 2 years, 5 years for the mortgage. Yeah.
Okay, I'll think about it. Think about it. Or I'll go and, get one of my friends to get one for me.
Why can't you buy it yourself?
Hey, I'm still coming. I'm still a young man. I'm coming up. Give me some time.
That's why the payment is actually in installment. You don't need to pack up all your savings.
I want to install on the installation.
That's fine.
But thank you very much.
Thank you.
Maybe I'll catch the phase 3. Maybe you get another one.
Okay.
I'll catch that one.
Okay.
But Stella, thank you once again.
Nice.
It's been very nice.
Around.
There you have it, Heritage 100. I want to thank Stella and the rest of the Heritage 100 staff for allowing me to see this amazing property. We're here in Labone, we're here in Accra, we're here in Ghana. It's Jah Kobi, straight from the land, signing out. Peace.